Let me try to join this stream and make sure we're not trending. What? What just happened? What? Don't piss me off. Okay, let me just try to make sure that, because I have it down here. I have it down there. Let's see what it do. Because I'm just so over it freezing while I'm talking. Like, just please stop freezing while I'm talking, dude. Okay, let's see how it looks. I can hear myself, but I'm not moving. I'm touching the screen. Am I moving while I'm touching the screen? Okay, because when I get to getting on my screen, it leaves. All right. It was really bothering that, like, all last week I uploaded about 4 to 5 videos that don't got no sound. At least y'all can see what I'm out there doing, but yeah, I definitely kept it up there because I ain't want to take even more than I already was. So right now, let me take my watch list off here. I just keep getting anxiety every time it's time to start, because like you be freezing. Are we frozen? Let me see. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. I double checked to make sure that. Ooh, strong pullback. Whoever is trying to enter there. Let's do a little bit of Fibonacci from here to here. Just measure this move since we've already got our opening range here. All right, we got a touch of the 9 EMA, and this basically looks like, let this candle close and see what happens. Oh, I definitely want to turn this music down too. It's just a little bit too loud for me. And to be real, I really don't even care about I don't care about this song either, so I'm just turn it down just a little bit. And I would prefer the Feeding the Ducks thing because it just seems more relaxed. This music is so trash. Next week, I'm probably going to go ahead and upgrade so I can get some just better platform, better layout. I don't really care for this layout. So we'll see what happened next week. I'm just going to keep making sure the screen isn't froze while I'm up here. So I'm just going to keep making sure the screen isn't froze. Looks like it's froze. Yep, I look frozen. Looks like it's froze. You're not about to piss me off today with that. Nah. Look. Yeah, the mouse is moving, but I'm not. Nah. I might have to switch. What makes it work then not? I might have to cut. Okay. All right. What's this? Went down to a discount and went up. Like, broke structure to the upside. I could have entered in down here. Honestly, would have been a good place to enter. But I'm just gonna continue to be patient. I got an orange juice. I'll be back. I know a hater gonna hate. There's no way he'll put your weight on me. You can't put a stain on me. You can't put a label on me. You can't throw shade on me. On me, on me, on me, on me, yeah. I know a hater gonna hate. There's no way you'll put your weight on me. You ain't a friend to me. You know what they say about the jealous ones. They turn to enemies. And you know that I'm hot right now. And I feel your energy. And that shit offended me. I know a hater gonna hate. There's no way you put your weight on me. So I don't want to make any assumptions about what's going on in the market. You know, we did break up to the upside. Touched these new highs and then got strong rejection back down to the 9 EMA. I would love to, my bad, y'all. I would love to see how price reacts here at this level and to see if we're going to take a shift down to the downside or if we're going to continue up to the upside. We have room to the downside. It looks like this may play out for at least the next 10 minutes. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that strong selling here. On 5 minute. Make sure yeah, I'm good. That would have been a good play. I could have took it, but I didn't. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Right now, the trend on the 4-hour time frame is an uptrend. So there are 4 hours in an uptrend. We also have a 1 hour that is in the uptrend. I'm not going to that. I already looked at those charts early this morning. You're more than welcome to go check those charts out. This music is horrible. Let me just see. The more I do stuff, let me try to see if, give me a second. I just don't want to feel like I'm listening to anything. Okay. Yeah, this might be all right. It's a little bit more relaxing. Okay. Okay, look, we got some strong recovery. So look, have we taken that? We've just been only to the downside. We just tapped into this demand zone here. Let me set up for a buy. This is looking really good. I'm gonna delete all this. Delete. Oh Lord. We got about 3 more minutes until this candle closes. Target these highs up here. Try to get it at a I have less than a minute before I take this long. Got my finger here on the trigger, less than 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to modify to one contract. Oh my goodness. It's taking off without me. She's taking off without me. X. See if it's taking off without me. I don't like it. See if it'll come back. It did. All right, tag this in. All right, I'm gonna set my 10-minute window. Yeah. All right, got about 5 more minutes until it's time to manage the trade. Interestingly enough, still in drawdown. Don't like the way this looking. Honestly, don't like the way this trade is looking right now after 5-10 minutes. So 4 more minutes. I'm going to manage. I have to hopefully it doesn't resort in a loss, but not looking how I'd like for it to look within the last 4 minutes. I mean, we went into profit time and then struggling here. So we'll see what happens in the next 4 minutes. If we have to exit for a loss, it is what it is. But the trade isn't over yet. The 10-minute window isn't over yet. Still got 4 more minutes left. And now we're back. Okay. Pushing back to what I was expecting. Being in drawdown sucks. It can muddy your what you were looking for initially. Like, was I confused? No, you weren't. Your time. You just have to wait your full, waiting period. Whatever that works, whatever that is for you when it comes to your trading strategy. You want to wait for that. That whole period. Don't emotionally exit or let the fact that the market's playing around change your directional bias. So now we're back at entry. Our window is not closing until 3 more minutes. I'm still gonna keep an eye on it because is it adding weak right now? I don't know. Just waiting for buyers to step in. We're in profit now. Okay, good. Strong push up to the upside. 2 more minutes left until this window closes. Profit 275 right now. We're not making any decisions based off money though. We're just making sure that we execute our plan properly. That's it. That's all. The money just is a byproduct of the fact that we keep showing up doing the same exact thing, practicing the same skill every day. That's the importance. And as we see, pays to allow your trade to play out. And you gone? All right. See you later. Yeah. So just keeping an eye out here. Let me get my stop. I'm about to go ahead in 2 more minutes. I'm gonna move my stop into break even or profit, one of the two. I'm just keeping an eye out on how this candle here closes in the next minute. Minute and 17 seconds on the clock till it's time to move our stop. One more minute. $53 more seconds till we move our stop into break even. Pushing up. Nice. 8 more seconds left. 2, 1. All right. Wonderful. Wonderful execution today. Gonna move our stop to break even. Letting my trade just play out here, you know. I can't lose now. Gonna just watch and see how price interacts with these previous highs up here that it made this morning already. See if it's gonna take them or what. Looking for new highs here. Again, we're doing really good. Really good trade this morning. So far, so good. Looking to at least liquidate these highs here. Wonderful. All right, breaking to the upside here on the 5-minute. We're in some nice profits right now. Great profits on the day. Wonderful trade. Let's clap it up for ourselves. Before we get to clapping, I'm gonna go ahead and move this into profit though first. To secure some of this profit. I have my target set up here. You know, I had no real clear target for real. I just knew we were at all-time highs, so I'm really just trailing this. Got our break to the upside. This is a lot of time when price pulls back really hard once we like make a new high. But then it could also just shoot up. So right now we're kind of just shooting up. This is a really good trade. I'm very proud of this trade. I don't want to trail it too close, but you know, if I get stopped out, really, I'm really happy that I caught this trade regardless. So that's not a good approach to take. You know, you want to get the best of the best. So I really don't want to get stopped out. But again, I gotta lock these profits in at this break of this previous highs here. Because again, I just don't really know how price is going to react. But it's moving up so strongly. If we get $1,000 on this trade, that'd be wonderful. But again, we're not going to make no decisions based off of the money, just based off price action. So we could get more than 1,000 honestly today on this trade here. Really, it's just going up, up, up. All right, this is the first live where we hit profits of 1K. So Let me lock that. Let me lock some of this in here. And then we're gonna do the clapping hands because we did that. Look. Let me pull it back on that snap. I ain't mad. I'm glad about it. I'm gonna take it here. You know, I'm gonna take it here at 850, 900, whatever. Liquidated at how much? 893. So I'm gonna just go ahead and round it up to $900 win on the day. So we got a $900 win for the first time on live. Let's see. Let's clap it up. Where the clapping hands at? It's two of y'all up here. Good morning. I'm so glad y'all finally joined me. Woo! Okay, money not gonna make us up. We just gotta keep showing that. Period. Let's check some of these comments. See if anybody asked me any questions or had any questions about our play. What am I looking at? Okay, so thank you for joining. I don't know if you saw or not, but we just made $1,000 on the trade. I am trading eval, so this ain't real cash right now, but once I pass it, it's gonna be real cash. So I would recommend y'all go ahead and go to Liquid, what is it called? Get y'all a prop firm so y'all can trade in the mornings with me and start making some extra money. The prop firm I'm using right now is called Lucid. So you want to go to Lucid and you can buy an account for $60 to $50. It's a flex account. And you can make money off that account with me every morning. Right now you're looking at TradingView. This is the platform that I'm using to trade off of. This is TradingView. Man, we could have got so much money off this. I just exited early and I didn't have to. I could have got probably hella money off this, but we're looking at the S&P 500. Okay, right here this is the 5-minute chart. This is the 1-minute chart. Okay, you're not gonna understand in one day what you're looking at, but these little things here, these green things are candlesticks. That's what they're called. Okay, and there's books out there like Candlestick Bible. There's apps out there, candlestick apps where you can learn about candlesticks and what they mean. But when you're trading, you're either buying or you're selling or you're sitting on your hands doing nothing, okay? The more you learn about this, you'll learn that I'm going to look for buy signals and sell signals. And this was our first buy signal for the day, okay? So when I got this buy signal, as you can see, this green button here, I went ahead and bought at this level. This is the level that I'm buying at. The reason I bought here and why I say it's a buy signal is because we're in an uptrend. Okay, you trade based off what the trend is. And on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, which I don't have up here, it's currently in an uptrend. Okay, you can take a look at that back later or watch it later as you're studying and stuff like that. But this is the uptrend on the lower time frame. This is what I mean when I say uptrend. Okay, and when I say downtrend, this is an uptrend. When you're making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, this low is higher than this low. This high is higher than this high. So that's how you know when you're in an uptrend based off the candles. When you're in a downtrend, this is what price is going to look like. Okay. If the chart doesn't look like either one of these things, that's when we sit on our hands and we call it consolidation because price is just going sideways. Okay. Look, we got out at a great time too. Price is pulling back very strongly. So you just don't be greedy. And that's gonna be hard too. Once you see how much money you can make every day, you can be like, oh, let me hold it. Just it's a million opportunities. You don't gotta be greedy. We got out at the perfect time. Anyway. So knowing that price is in an uptrend on the higher time frame, because the higher time frame is the most important. Knowing that price is in an uptrend, we're going to be buying up buy, downtrend, sell. Period. That's it. It's not complicated. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simplified. When we see structure being broken, this candle closed higher than this candle, it broke to the upside. That's how I know I'm ready to enter. That's when you know you're ready to enter. That's what I mean when I say a signal. Y'all really don't have to figure that out. Y'all can just trade along with me till y'all, get the gist. You don't gotta know everything, but start on YouTube and just try to begin to get an understanding of candlesticks. And when you join with me and you trade, you can trade with me now. Let me see if there's any questions. I hope I answered your question about what you're looking at. Let me see. Hope I answered your question about what you're looking at. I'm probably gonna be done for today, y'all. That was good. That was a good trade. Or may enter one more time. I mean, $900, $893 is really good. You don't want to just overtrade and lose it. If I'll hang out for a little bit. No, I ain't hanging out. I'm sorry, I got stuff to do. I'm trying to I got some stuff I need to do. I want to smoke some weed. I'm not gonna hold it. Let me see. But this was wonderful. For the people that join, I don't know who you are, right? Don't tell me who you are, but I'm grateful that y'all are here. Thank y'all for being here with me. If you want to make some money with me, start to do prop firms so you can make some extra money. So like and subscribe, join the channel. It helps my channel. It helps me grow. And there are a couple prop firms that are having sales right now too, that you can get your you can start trading from. So there's Lucid, and then there's Take Profit is having a 50% off sale this week ending Saturday. You can buy any account at 50% off, and there's Lucid, LUCID, and Take Profit Trader. Both of these platforms have accounts for at least 50% off or something like that right now. Take Profit has 50% off, and you don't have to pay an activation fee. That's waiting for life. Y'all, please get on that. They used to make us pay $130 activation fee, and then Lucid changed, and so Lucid, they don't make you pay activation fee. So go with the people that take the least money out your pockets, and that'll help you go ahead and start earning money. Now with these platforms, you got to trade for 5 days consistently. I don't have a problem with consistency in my strategy. It's really good. My strategy is really good. I've almost damn near perfected it. I'm a human, right? You're gonna make errors. You're gonna see stuff going wrong some days and be like, bro, let me get out or whatever. Like, you just gonna have your errors, but my approach, my setup is solid. We can really do some things here. But anyway, Lucid is a prop firm where they pay you to trade for them. The money you make up here, that you get a 90 and 10% split. So the profits you make, you keep 90% and they get 10. So if you would have made $890, if you would have made that $1,000, you would have took 900 and they would have took 100 and y'all would have went on about your day. Or that's how you do business with Lucid and with Take Profit Trader. Looks like we're getting another, well, we might be getting another buy signal on the 5 minute, possibly. We'll see. Anyway, what's I saying? So as far as our execution scorecard, this is something I want to do too, because make a thing I do when I get up here is to do an execution scorecard so we can grade ourselves based off how we trade. Because when I first started out trading, I was trading from my bed. I actually just did that the other day, and I had a bad day. I won $1,300, and then staying in the bed, I lost $1,300 the first play that I made, and then I won it right back. And then after I kept trading after that, and after losing $1,300 and then winning it, I should have just walked away, but I kept trading. So over trading from your bed, don't do it. Trading from your phone, don't do it. If you have a laptop, get up, get out your bed, and get serious about making some real money. And it's kind of been my mindset lately. But yeah, Lucid, go ahead and get your account so that y'all can start trading with me next week. I'll be live Monday. I'm probably not gonna go live tomorrow. Trading on Fridays is a scam. I ain't gonna hold you. Something about market manipulation on Fridays, it just be like they just play too much on Fridays. And so that's my rule. Monday through Thursday is a grind. So I will be live Monday through Thursday at 10 a.m. Next week. I would love for y'all to be here with me. We can make some money together. Those of you that just don't know nothing about trading, don't give up. Shit. And don't limit yourself on what you can do and ways that you can make money. You know what I'm saying? You can keep your job and do this. You can make money while you learn. You're supporting my community and you helping yourself. It's a win-win. You know what I'm saying? And then people just try to box you in like you just gotta only be doing one thing, or just judging and don't be knowing what you know what I'm saying? Don't worry about that. This is like learning a new language. This is like learning how to become fluent in a new language, but you become fluent in the money. You becoming fluent in the stock market. And so it's nothing wrong with it. It's gonna take time. And that's why I'm building this platform, so that we have a community together, so we can learn judgment free. We can build our skills judgment free, maximize the opportunities that we have at our hand every day together. Because the stock market is open 24/7, 365. Like it's not open 24/7, 365, but it's open six days a week. The only time it's closed is Saturday. You could trade during the London session at 2 a.m. or from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. You could trade Asia session pre-market from about 6 to 8:30 or whatever. It might not be the right time. About 4:30 to a.m. to like 8:30 in the morning. Or you can trade New York session. That's what I trade, New York session. New York session open at 9:30. I don't get on the charts and I don't start making decisions until 10. Okay. And so that's when I'll be going live at 10. So make sure you're here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you're you have the notifications on, make sure you get your accounts this weekend so that we can all trade together next week. And I'm not over trading today. That was a good play. I'm gonna leave it at that. I really appreciate y'all joining with me. I hope y'all learned something today. Again, look into getting downloading the app for candlesticks, Terrell, so that you can learn more about candlesticks and understanding what they mean. Again, don't expect you to understand what you're looking at, so you keep looking at it more and more. And y'all watch me trade that live. Now, also, I realized, I guess since I'm streaming free, I ain't paid them yet. It take a whole day for them to upload the live stream. Yesterday's live stream is up now if you want to rewatch that, but I'm fucking frozen throughout most of the damn session because I'm still learning how to trade this. Still learning how to work this, but this one shouldn't be frozen because I spent like a lot of time this morning just like trying to make sure that I was looking at the webcam and stuff. All right, I got shit to do. I'm holler back at y'all a little bit later. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see y'all on Monday. Get your accounts.